As the launch of the new KTM 390 Adventure draws near, excitement is building among motorcycle enthusiasts. Alongside it, the KTM 250 Adventure is also set to make its debut. The 2025 KTM 390 Adventure features significant updates in both design and mechanics. Its aesthetic now aligns more closely with KTM's larger adventure models, showcasing a revamped headlight setup with vertically positioned LEDs and a slightly taller visor. Additionally, it includes a tall front fender and new crash guards that wrap around the fuel tank extensions. Powering the bike is expected to be the same 399cc single-cylinder engine found in the current 390 Duke, generating 45.3 brake horsepower and 39 Nm of torque. On the technology front, the new model is likely to offer multiple ride modes, ABS settings, traction control, a quick shifter, and a TFT display. In terms of hardware, the 390 Adventure is set to feature adjustable front forks, complemented by a monoshock rear suspension. It will ride on 19-inch front and 17-inch rear spoke wheels, equipped with off-road tires, and will have disc brakes at both ends for effective stopping power. Meanwhile, the upcoming KTM 250 Adventure will share the same chassis and styling cues as the 390 Adventure, albeit with some notable differences. It will feature lower spec tires and forego LED DRLs around the LED projector headlight. The prototype spotted included an LCD instrument cluster, though a color TFT display could be introduced, following the recent update of the 250 Duke. The 250 Adventure is expected to include features such as a quick shifter, switchable traction control, dual-channel ABS with a Supermoto mode, and an assist and slipper clutch. Powering the new 250 Adventure will be a new 249cc LC4C engine producing 31 brake horsepower and 25 Nm of torque, mated to a 6-speed gearbox. KTM may adjust the final drive ratio to better suit the Adventure's characteristics. The suspension setup will consist of non-adjustable upside-down forks at the front and a preload adjustable rear monoshock. Like its larger sibling, it will also ride on 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wire spoke wheels, fitted with MRF tires, while braking duties will be handled by disc brakes at both ends. The new KTM 390 Adventure is expected to launch in early 2025, followed by the 250 Adventure a few months later.